guys, I'm really excited to show you today a new thing which I just bought from Amazon, and it just arrived in 1 week. What, man, in 1 week? Nice. So let's see what it is. You guys ready? Let's go. Here it is, man. It's a Koowheel electric skateboard. Let's open it out. To inform you guys, I just bought it for only €150. It's nothing. It's so cheap, and it's an electric skateboard, and I'm really excited to see if it's new or old or how is it. Let's open it and give a review of this Koowheel skateboard. It looks pretty big. Whoa. Look. Here it is. Look, guys. It's pretty amazing, man. It's so new, and it's only €150 from Amazon. Koowheel. To inform you guys, I'm not giving any review. I just bought it from Amazon and was really excited. That's why showing you guys how is it. It's not that heavy as well. And look at the wheels. It's pretty big. It's a road wheel, on-road wheel, and this is the motor. One motorized, not two. Let's see what else we have. The charger to charge it, and I can guess this is the remote. Here is it. Look at this. It's the new version of Koowheel remote. I think it's the best one they have. Nice. Guys, I can really tell you, this Koowheel mini skateboard is worth 150, man. €150. You can get this electric skateboard from Koowheel. That's great. Amazing. As they say in the description, its battery is 5,500 mAh capacity, and it can last like 70 to 27 kilometers. That's pretty good. And they say the speed of this mini skateboard is 40 kilometers per hour. Serious? Okay. I need to charge 2 hours, then I can go for a ride with this. How about the wheels? It can take up to 81 kg, so kilogram, so 75. I can ride it with it. It says it's can go, okay, its maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour. If we press the remote control 5 times to unlock this speed, which is the highest speed, okay, and normal is like 3 times is start, and it can go up to 20 kilometer if we press 3 times. Nice. I think that's pretty much to know about it until we go for a ride. And here is the turn on button. I guess I should turn it on. Yes, it just get on and this. And to inform you more that this is waterproof. So guys, I think I just got this for 150 and which is pretty worth it, and I should go for a ride to see how is it works and will it be able to take my weight, because I am 75 and it can take until 81. So let's go for a ride. What's up guys? So I'm back in outside. Here I'm gonna check how is it my new Koowheel. And this is the road, and the speciality is in this road I have the uphill, and if this I can use for downhill as well to check this Koowheel. I'm riding in like 3. It's not the full speed, but it's the regular speed with this. It's pretty good, not that bad. Like for 150 euro I cannot get more than better than this. So it's time to check the brake. Good, not that bad. But it kind of makes sound with the road, because this road is like not for skateboarding. But as it is on-road skateboard, so it's riding pretty good. The wheels are really good, I can say. So I just came uphill with this speed, so let's drive to downhill. Okay, as it is my first time with this skateboard, like electric skateboard. Look, so to turn it back I need to ride down and then this. So let's try downhill with the full speed. How is it? So I turn it off and press it 5 times for full speed. There we go. Let's check it. Oh, that's far more better than I thought. It's not that bad. Like guys, for 150 euro this skateboard is pretty good to, like, for casual. You don't have to work from to reach the station or bus stop. You can use it for that purpose. Like, as it is a mini skateboard, you can carry it as well. It's pretty easy. Like for reaching point 1 to point B, is far good enough in 150 euro. I haven't thought I can ride with this nicely, because I am 75 kilo and its maximum capacity is 81 kilo. So yeah, that's pretty worth it. So I can show you this downhill. I'm going. I will check the brake. was going down with this and trying the brake, it was pretty hard and I was like almost falling because I'm new, couldn't take the balance in a good way. But the brake is pretty hard, man. I can say it for sure. And now I'm going to show you that there's another option, which is like backwards. If we press this up and then pull this top, then we go backwards. Like I'm going backwards. I can show you like this. Is the backward option. Not that bad. So with this you can go forward and backward as well. And when you have no charge on the skateboard, I haven't tried how long it lasts, the charge, but when we don't have charge we can turn the skateboard off. Like I can show you, like we can turn the skateboard from here, then we can ride it manually. Okay, and when you ride manually, be careful because it's not that big. So yeah, so guys, that was the vlog with my new Koowheel. And for more vlogs, stay with my channel and please subscribe and give a thumbs up. For today, bye. See you in another vlog.